Hi, Vincent from Triple Eight US Real Estate, and today I just want to talk to you a little bit about Phoenix, Arizona and how it's leading the house price recovery in the USA, because we can learn a lot from what's happening there and apply it to other cities. What happened in Phoenix was it was the second worst hit foreclosure city in the USA. One house in every 205 was being foreclosed back in 2009, and prices plummeted by almost 80% or more of their value. In 2011, something interesting happened. We had some big companies in Wall Street think to themselves that, hey, we could probably make some money out of this price collapse because there's a lot of asset value there in the homes. So Blackstone and some of the other players moved into Phoenix and used that as the model for what they're doing now across the whole USA. What they did in that market was, last year they bought 21% of all properties listed. The prices in Phoenix have risen, the median prices, by 35% in 2012. Now, we were actually in Phoenix when all this was happening, and we were buying properties for our clients there because that's where the value was. Now, one of our clients, Annabelle, she bought 3 properties actually in 2012, March 2012, after there's been quite a bit of growth in the market. And interestingly enough, she just sold those this year, 12 months later. And one of her properties alone, she made a 68% increase in value, which was fantastic just for 12 months. Now, Annabelle entered the market quite late, when prices were already on the move. But another one of our investors, Haley, bought a property at 7,287 South Sunrise Way in the southwest fringe suburb of Buckeye in Arizona. And she purchased it through us in May 2011, and she paid just $58,000 for this beautiful home. It was built in 2004, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, with 1,874 square feet inside. That was totally renovated when she purchased it. Now, she'll be really pleased to know that today it's valued over $120,000, which is an increase of over 100% of its value in less than 2 years. Now, the interesting part about this is that this is where these large funds started experimenting to see what they could do and testing the market. Now they're rolling the same strategy out throughout the whole of the USA. So they're dominating trustee sales and auctions for property. They're buying up everything that they can, and they're driving prices up in all those markets. So the interesting thing is Atlanta is where Phoenix was when Annabelle bought. So that 68% she made in the last year is on the table now in Atlanta for investors if they want to move in and buy in that city. And we've got some really good new constructed, fully renovated properties in Atlanta that are in that same sort of price range. Take this one for instance, which is at 6,266 Lamppost Place in the southern suburb of College Park. Now, it's a beautiful large home. It's over 2,100 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It was fully renovated before purchase and rents for $1,050 per month. So it's got a net yield of over 10%. But it's really at that crux where if we look at replacement value of the home versus what you're paying for it now, it's got plenty of headroom, just like the properties that we saw in Phoenix. And it's being driven by exactly the same market forces that were in play in Phoenix when, a year ago. So we're alerting investors now to let them know that there's so much more on the table for them in terms of capital growth, and you can still lock in these great net returns. The best momentum that we can see is this great convergence of fund activity in Atlanta, so I'd really advise you get in there. Have a look at our listings at our web address, which I'll display here, and what we can do is talk you through your position. There is some finance available, which really helps to get more exposure to this growth in a growing market so that you're going to make more money. And give us a call on the number 0266 88 4480. Talk to myself or Simon, and we'll help you into that market so that you can get some fantastic results.